Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now by confirming the Ps5 is not installing updates, otherwise shutdown may corrupt data. Next, crouch to eye level with the rear. You'll find the small power button near the vents and the power cable entry. Pressing the rear button forces a full power off. You need to hold it. Make sure the controller is not required. This method cuts system power, so save any open games beforehand. Once done with the checklist, press and hold the rear power button for roughly 7 seconds until you hear a second beep or see all LEDs extinguish. That confirms the system has begun a full shutdown. If you release too early, the console may enter rest mode rather than powering off, so hold steadily. If the lights persist after 7 to 10 seconds, unplug the power cable. You're disconnecting mains as a last resort to ensure the Ps5 is completely off. After the unit powers down, wait 30 to 60 seconds to allow capacitors to discharge and the system to stabilize. Then reconnect the power cable and press the front power button to verify normal startup. If the console won't power off or it repeatedly boots into updates or rest mode, make sure no background update is stuck. You may need safe mode via front button sequence or a web-enabled update later. If hardware still misbehaves, contact support for service options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.